Hey tubers, just wanted to let you know I have not left the planet. I'm still here. I'm still working. Farm's doing great things. We are growing exponentially. Just wanted to show you one greenhouse right now. That's all I'm going to show you. I've got three others right now that we're working with, and I have three more still to build. So that said, let's look at the tomatoes, the cucumbers, and the peppers, and what else? Zucchini right behind me. Right, hold on. All right, these are my cucumbers, and you can see there's several of them that are pretty big. We sold quite a few at market already. These are parthenocarpic, all of this in here except for the tomatoes. That means they are both male and female. Each flower should produce fruit. I don't have to pollinate them. These are my cherry tomatoes. Let me go back out of here. These are all cherries right here. More cherries right here. I got some more started. You can see they're beautiful. These are sweet 100s. And those over there are big beef. And I have lots of those all down through there. Anyway, that's a quick update. That's all I'm going to give you for now. I got peppers right here. Just getting this row in. Had other things taking my time, and it's put me a little bit behind on some of this stuff. But I've got that other greenhouse I'm building, 30 by 120. I'll show you some of that later on. I've had a lot of film that I've done and just never got it up. So anyway, I've put a lot of film on this camera, and I've just never really had time to get it to you guys. So I apologize for that. I'll try to do better. I can't promise anything. We're growing so fast, I don't have a whole lot of time for YouTube. God bless. Go play in some dirt, some fish water, some nutrient solution, whatever it takes to grow something, and we'll see you next time.